Hello there, welcome back to the channel. If you wanna make a playlist on Pandora, so let's break it down. It's super simple. First, tap on My Collection. Then what you have to do, sort your collection by playlists. You'll see a little plus new playlist button. Go ahead and tap that. Now just give your playlist a name, whatever you want. Vibe session, workout jams, crying in the shower, you do you. Then tap next. Then use the search bar to find songs or albums you love and add them to your new playlist. Boom, and that's it. Say you are vibing to a song and wanna save it right away, just tap the three dots under the album. Select Add to Playlist. From here you can either choose an existing playlist or create a new one by tapping plus new playlist just like before. Name it, hit next and done. And that's how you can create a fresh playlist and it's ready to go. Happy listening.